How do you, as a buyer, qualify for a loan? Hi, I'm Aldo Gonzalez from Pinnacle Estate Properties. Today I'm just going to discuss a simple process as far as what you need or how do you qualify for a loan. And the first thing that a lender does is they pull your credit, okay? And they check your income, and they also verify your history and your credit history, your background. These are the initial steps that the lender makes to determine if you do qualify for a loan. Like I said, they pull your credit, and putting your credit, your credit score will determine where you fall in place. And depending on your credit score, will determine what type of loan you're able to qualify for. Obviously, the better credit score, the more options you have. The lower credit score sometimes will put you out of the running. You probably won't even qualify. But if your credit score is lower, typically you get higher rates. Typically, you will get not the best possible rate, but also you won't have as many options when it comes to getting a loan for your house. They also want to verify too is your employment history. Okay, you must be at your current job for at least 2 years. 1 year is fine, but they want to make sure you are at your current job for at least 2 years to make sure you have stability and you have income coming in. Don't be switching jobs. Now, if you go from one company, if you're an insurance agent and you work at one insurance company, then you transfer to another insurance company. And in cases like that, the lender might accept it. Most likely they will, because you're going from one company to a different company in the same line of business. But if you're a trucker and then you decide to become an insurance agent, well, that right before you get pre-approved or through the pre-approval process, most likely you won't qualify for a loan because the lender will need more information regarding your new position, and it will make the loan a little more risky for your lender or for the bank. Okay, so make sure you have steady income by having good employment history, preferably within the same job for 2 years for sure, but in some cases being in the same job for a year. Also, I'm looking at my notes here. When it comes to qualifying, your income must be within a certain amount, okay? Which, of course, knowing how much income you have will determine how much you qualify for. Meaning, I have this much income, these are my expenses based on my credit report, and this will determine where I fall in place, meaning your debt to income ratios. A lender could give you a better idea of how that works. I got lenders that I could recommend you to that could assist you with that. But obviously, the more income you have, the more you qualify for. The less debt you have, the more you qualify for, because you're less of a risk to the bank. Your debt to income ratios are great, which means you'll be able to afford whatever loan you qualify for with less risk. So hopefully, I hope you found value in these short little videos that I try to guide you through the home buying process. Like I said, my whole goal in here is to educate you as a future buyer or a current person looking to buy a house, to make sure you make the right decisions when it comes to purchasing a house. If you do have any questions, reach out to me, give me a call. I'm here to assist you with any questions you may have regarding the loan process, the home buying process from beginning to ending. I'm here to guide you, okay? My name is Aldo Gonzalez. Have questions, leave a comment or give me a call. I'll put my information below, okay? You guys have a great day.